Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, we're going to be making this yummy meaty jollof spaghetti. Guys, this is one recipe you should consider making because it is so tasty and very easy to make. Like very easy to make, guys. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and join the family. Also like this video, guys. Thank you so much. So to begin, for my pepper mix, I'll be using this long pepper, bell pepper, tomato, spring onions, ginger garlic, my scotch bonnet. Guys, the details of all the ingredients I'll be using will be in the description box. So what you want to do is to wash and deseed your pepper. So that's what I have done now. I've washed it, deseeded the bell pepper and the long pepper. Now I'm just cutting the tomatoes and I'll be adding my rosemary, fresh rosemary. I'll drizzle some oil and then start boiling. I'll boil for like about 15 minutes and then after boiling you're supposed to allow it to cool off, but I was not patient. I just wanted to get everything done. So yeah, don't be like me. So you're going to transfer the pepper into your blender and blend it till you get a very smooth consistency, just like this. Even though at the end of the day I didn't use all this pepper because the scotch bonnet was so hot. So into your pot for the pepper base, I'm going to put my vegetable oil. When it gets hot, I'm going to refrying my sausages. So you guys remember I said that this jollof spaghetti is going to be meaty. So yeah, so I'm going to be frying my sausages. And guys, please, if you are in the UK, please, where do you guys buy chicken sausages? Because all the stores, all they have, they just sell pork sausages, and I'm not really a fan. Please, if you guys know where I can get, like, always get chicken sausages, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So yeah, after frying my sausages, I'm now going to be pouring in my blended onions. You can actually chop up your onions, but I just like my blended. Yeah, so I'm just going to, for flavor, I'm going to let it fry and infuse flavor into the oil before adding my tomato paste. So when you add your tomato paste, you want to fry. And guys, because this part of the video is sped up, I think that's why it's looking like the fire is too high, but trust me, cooking on very low to medium heat. So you want to fry your tomato paste, like fry it for like 8 minutes until it's looking like this. You want to fry your tomato mix very well, guys, your tomato paste rather. So after frying it very well, I'll be adding my blended pepper mix, and that's the quantity I added, just because the scotch bonnet in the pepper mix was too hot, so I had to reduce the quantity. So you want to keep frying, and to season I'll be using my Knorr cubes, curry, my thyme, paprika powder, my smoked paprika. And after adding the smoked paprika, I'm just going to stir it and continue to fry, and then I'll add salt to taste, little salt by the way, and then I'll set that aside. For my spaghetti, I'm into my very hot boiling water. I'm going to put my spaghetti inside. I'm going to put it inside and allow it to cook. After putting the spaghetti in, I'll put my salt, drizzle some oil into the spaghetti, give it a good mix, and then cover it to boil. So yeah, now I'm drizzling the yeah, put in the salt. I'll drizzle my oil, allow it to cook for like 70% cooked. That's how I like to do mine, because you know we're still going to transfer it into the pepper mix. So I'm just going to cook it. After it's about 70% cooked, you want to take out part of the pasta water, because we're going to need it later to finish up the cooking. You guys remember that I said I'm cooking it for 70%, so just to finish up with the cooking process later, when we pour the pasta into the pepper mix, that's why we're taking out the water. So I'm going to sieve out the remaining the excess water. I'm going to sieve it out, and after doing that, we're going to transfer the spaghetti into the pepper mix. You guys, you see that I said that it is very easy. So yes, after putting it in the pepper mix, you're going to give it a good mix. So there's something that I forgot. Actually, I didn't forget it, but I lost the clip, so that's why I don't have the clips here. While frying my pepper mix, I also added my beef broth. So if you have, please don't forget to add it into yours as well. It gives this really nice taste. Yeah, so but like I said, I forgot the clips, or what am I saying? Like I said, I lost the clips, so that's it. So yeah, I already introduced the pasta water back into the spaghetti and covered it to continue cooking, and now it is time to add our condiments. The first thing I added was the sausages, and then I added my chopped carrots. Now it's time to add the beef chunks, and after adding all of this, you need to like really stir it. It got to a point I had to use a spatula, and this, like, I had to use two tools to keep making sure that everything is well incorporated, because you don't want spaghetti one side and all the beef chunks one side. And then to top it up, I added my green peas. And guys, I wish I can just send it to you. Like, you guys should just bring your plate. I wish I can send to everyone. This tasted so nice. Everybody enjoyed it. So guys, if you are new to the channel and you're still not subscribed, please, I am on my knees, please subscribe and support this girl. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.